So, pagka nag-fail yung empleyado sa kanyang performance, to a certain extent, failure din yung supervisor or manager, no? So, a real performance management is a partnership between the manager and the employee. So, yung manager or yung supervisor plays the role of the coach, di ba? At ang goal ng coach is not to evaluate the employee. Ang goal ng coach ay to help the employee succeed, di ba? So, pagka nag-fail yung empleyado sa kanyang performance, to a certain extent, failure din yung supervisor or manager. No? Go as far as saying na malaking failure ng manager yun. Yung failure ng kanyang mga tauhan. Di ba? So, ano dapat ginagawa ng manager at saka ng empleyado? Pagdating sa setting of performance goals and behavioral expectations, ang trabaho ng manager ay i-define yung goals, no? Define clear, specific goals and behavioral expectations aligned with the organizational objectives. So, kailangan kausapin ng manager yung empleyado kung ano yung needed actions para ma-hit yung target at anong support ang willing ibigay ng manager or kayang ibigay ng manager para matulungan yung empleyado na ma-hit yung target. Kaya importante na merong pakikipag-usap, may communication na nangyayari. Unfortunately, hindi lahat ng management ay nagpa-practice ng good communication. Basta lipat na lang ng lipat ng mga tao. Communication is key.